All right, here we are, part one. Dyno Kwick Pick Torture Test 1. This is going to be ice of fire and ice. So here's the pick, frozen solid in a block of ice. Looks good. No damage. And as soon as that water in there thaws out, I'm sure we'll get this pick up and running. But there you have it. Ice, no problem. Thumb screw works fine. It's just full of ice in there, and as soon as that melts, I'm sure we'll get that out. Well, as you can see, no damage to the pick. It's just another minute. The Arizona sun melted this, and you can see that pick just slides right out. Dyno Kwick Pick. Unscrew the cap. Take out the tension tool. Pick slides right out, no issues.